So, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. See, as the channel name suggests, the Twitch Coder, I will be streaming live on Twitch. All these things that I'm uploading in on YouTube right now. So I will be live coding all those stuffs on Twitch. So if you want to catch me live on my channel, https twitch.tv/bharat7. The link is in the description of this video. So you can follow me and support me there. So the application that we're going to be building right now is called a to-do application. It is going to be used to manage the to-dos that we are going to do. It's like a checklist application, okay? And we are going to build it using technologies like Angular and Express framework, and the database is going to be MongoDB. So we are going to be using Angular. It is a TypeScript framework developed by Google. It has wide range of supports worldwide. Okay, since it does, since it is developed by Google, it is very famous and it can fetch you many jobs if you learn this. So we are going to be developing the front end with Angular, and the back end is going to be developed by Node.js language and the Express framework, which is built upon the Node.js language. The Node.js is a runtime environment for JavaScript. The thing is, you cannot run JavaScript in your machine. You can only run JavaScript inside a browser. So Node.js is a JavaScript runtime which you can actually download and install it in your system, so you can run JavaScript files. So yeah, we're going to be using Express.js for writing a backend, and we are going to be using MongoDB for the database service. And the thing is, we will not use the local MongoDB service. We are going to be using the MongoDB cloud service. So yeah, just go ahead and register for our account. Just go to atlas.mongodb or type MongoDB Atlas. You will go into this website and just log in with your Google ID. It's absolutely free, so no issues. So do that. And the IDE which I'm going to be using for this tutorial, I will be using Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I will be coding in Visual Studio Code, both the backend and the front end. So if you want, go ahead and download this. It is actually a very good IDE for web development. So yeah, so here is the app demo. So this is the app that we are going to be building right now. So it has authentication, it has route guards, it has Angular route guards and everything. So if I try to go to home page before logging in, it actually redirects me to the login page saying that you have to log in first. We are going to use Angular material for the UI. Okay, so let's just close it. So let's sign up first. Okay, so yeah, let's just maybe register. I'm gonna register a name called Alex username. I'm going to create a password. Okay, and here it is. You can hide and review your password. Okay, and the form has validation, and the email is this email is optional. Okay, I'm gonna put some email, pc@gmail.com. so let's just register. It says registration successful, please log in to continue. So let's log in into the Alex account. So Alex, I'm gonna say password. So this is the password. So let's go in, say login. It says login successful, welcome to To-Do app. Now if you try to go to the login, just click back button. It won't go let you log in because you're already logged in. I'm going to do it again because you're already logged in. You cannot go inside login. So this is the thing. This is the non-completed to-dos table. This is the completed to-dos table. This table is Angular material table. Okay, so let's add it to do in the non-completed to-dos, or you can add it anywhere because starting it will be saved in non-completed to-dos. So let me add it here. I'm going to say testing. Yeah, testing in progress. Okay, so I'm going to say add to do added successfully, and it's going to be added in non-completed to-dos. So here, title testing, description, completed false, created at is June 21, 2020. Okay, now you can edit or delete this to-do. Let's just edit this to-do. So go here, say testing done, and testing this successful, and let's just put it's completed. Okay, so let's just update to do. So it just jumps from non-completed to-dos to completed to-dos. Now we can just delete the to-do. Yes, close it. Now we can just log out. Now after logging out, if I try to go in again, I cannot go in. Okay, it's just gonna say you have to log in first. So you can see this to-do toolbar, it actually updates dynamically. Now there is no icons present. Now when I go into an account, there's going to be icon right here. Okay, log out. So this is the app we're going to be building, guys. So I actually hope to seeing you out there. So yeah, so the video the tutorial video link will be in the description of this video. As soon as I upload the tutorial link, I will edit the description and put the link here. So yes guys, stay tuned. Please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and please make sure to go to my Twitch live channel and follow me and support me there, because everything that I upload here will be done there first. Okay, so thank you for the support, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys soon. Thank you.